All right, I am here at Crow Creek over in Bettendorf. I'm actually by the dog park, and I'm going to jump on the Crow Creek bike path here and go around to Middle Road and 53rd, back to Devil's Glen, and then back to here. So see how long of a ride it is. Just a little leisure ride for today, just to get some exercise. So. I should be in real-time mode now. Going across a bridge here at Crow Creek, heading towards Middle Road. And it's a beautiful bike path, actually. I've never been here before. So, yeah, go ahead and go back to time-lapse mode now. Okay, well here's Middle Road. We're going underneath. Should be going back up to the top. Yeah. Oh, there's a nice water fountain here. Little rest stop, bathroom. Kind of cool, right? Wide open field here. We're getting close to 53rd Street. I don't think this is, yeah, this is 53rd Street. So I'm going to go ahead and turn left here. 53rd Avenue, sorry. So I got to cross here. It's this busy intersection. Ooh. Right by the traffic circle. Okay, here we go. Just loops around here. Oh, I gotta cross again. Very interesting. Okay. Definitely never done any of this before. Kind of fun. Oh, gotta go uphill now. Going back to time-lapse mode. Okay, I find this a little strange. There's like exercise equipment along the bike path here. I'm not sure why anybody would stop. I guess if you're walking, maybe it'd be a good place to stop. It's kind of funny. There was a bike machine back there. Now there's rowers, and I don't know. All right, here we go. another cool section, a little bit downhill, and a good view. And I think this is Devil's Glen up here. Here we go. Very windy. Now where we go? Down below. Ooh. Narrow path. Oh, we're not going down below. Never mind. This is Devil's Glen. We're gonna cross back over. We're right across, right here. Okay. Gotta go push the button. Yep. All right, going back to time lapse.